Hi, my name is Kennedy Salvador. Just call me Teacher Ken, a passionate and dedicated teacher from the Philippines. I hold a degree for Bachelor of Secondary Education and a teaching license. I have been teaching students of all ages and levels for almost 3 years. I also have an experience in teaching Tagalog via online to some foreign students for almost 7 months. As a teacher, seeing students progress and gaining confidence in their ability to communicate can be an enriching and fulfilling experience for me. My teaching style is something interactive and engaging, so I am 100% sure that this will be a great and fun experience for us. So let's learn and grow together, and hopefully, tayo ay magkita-kita sa aking klase. So ayun lang, maraming salamat at kita-kits!